In this video, I'd like to continue the subject of dictionaries, how to create a dictionary in a different way and maybe store a bit more information in it. So in the previous video, I just created a dictionary in one go using curly braces and adding those key and value pairs. Now I'm going to start with an empty dictionary and populate the key value pairs in a different manner. Let's go ahead and do this. So first of all, let's create a movie 1 empty dictionary. We do it by using empty curly braces. That's going to create an empty dictionary. So how do I add now key value pairs? I'm going to use the same name of the dictionary, and in square brackets, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my keys. Okay, so that's going to create a first key value pair. If I want to add another one, I'll use the same name of the dictionary. Movies. So this should be movie 1, movie 2. And again, in square brackets, I'm going to add another key. The key is going to be, say, let's just say director's name. And I need to assign a value to it. Now, this is going to be, again, string, Steven Spielberg. And in the same manner, I'm going to add, why did I do 2 here? It has to be the same name of a dictionary. So movie 1, again, movie 1, let's just say create another pair. In square brackets, there's going to be my key. Here I'm going to say, let's just say release. So let's create another key and assign value to it. I cannot type today for some reason. Let's go for another one, maybe last one, because I want to assign something different. So these are strings and integer, but I want to assign something else. Let's just say movie 1, and I'm going to have as my key genre. And here I'm going to assign a list, because maybe there's more than one keyword I want to assign to genre. So I can also have inside the dictionary as a value a list. So I could have, let's say, action, adventure. So a list of values instead. Now, if I just save it, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this movie dictionary, which is no longer empty, movie 1, into my movies list. How do I do that? Movies, append, movie 1. Now, what I'm going to do later is, if there were more than one element in the movie, I already prepared in the previous video a loop. So I'm going to loop through every movie in the movies list, and for each element, for each dictionary, which is the element of the list, I'm going to display key and value. So this movie keyword will be substituted with the element, which is the dictionary, movie 1 in my context because I only one here, and I'm going to iterate through the items of that dictionary, key and value. I'm going to display using formatting. The key will have 8 characters in length, followed by colon, and followed by value of that key. Let's see what's going to happen. So now I need to save my file and run the code. Voila. I just had a second thought and I wanted to add something more to it. The title, director, release, I want to type them in uppercase. Now how would I do that? I can basically add after the k value, which is the variable used to substitute the key, I'm going to add here the method upper, and that method upper is going to display every key, which is title, director, release, genre, in uppercase. Let's just go ahead and do it. Save this, clear the screen, and run code one more time. Now, how would I delete a particular key? One last thing here to do with the dictionary. If I want to remove something, let's just say for argument's sake, I want to remove the release. I would do that by using the del keyword, movie1, and the key name. The key name is going to be release. If I want to remove that key and its value, I will just remove the key, and that's going to remove it. So if I run the code one more time, the release should be gone, and it is gone. That's how we remove the key value pairs from the dictionary.